Hair fall or baldness is a very common problem nowadays. So by washing hair in cold water prevent hair loss, or by cutting your hair promotes hair growth, or just by oiling your hair regularly or by taking a biotin supplement can prevent hair loss. We try to experiment with various remedies which makes our hair loss problem even worse. So if you're going bald, then it's something to do with our hormones. It's not aging or sunlight or dandruff causing hair fall, but in most cases, hormones are the culprit, especially DHT. So it's all about balancing your hormones and balancing the conversion of testosterone to DHT. So let's understand what is this DHT, how DHT causes hair loss, and how you can block this DHT through natural foods. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Rashmi here, registered dietitian and sports and exercise nutritionist. So in today's video, I am going to discuss what happens in your body when you have hair loss and how you can fight this hair loss naturally by taking right measures. And this is applicable to both men and women, but male pattern baldness is more common. So as I said in the beginning, hair loss is about dihydrotestosterone, which is also called DHT. So DHT is an androgen, meaning it's a sex hormone, which is derived from testosterone. And testosterone is a hormone which is present in both men and women. So testosterone hormone binds with an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase, which converts testosterone to DHT. And normally, in general, 10% of testosterone is converted to DHT. So what happens is, DHT binds to hair follicle receptors, which causes them to shrink, weaken, and eventually die. And this can lead to complete end of hair growth. And this kind of hair loss is called androgenic alopecia. So basically, when DHT binds to hair follicles, it starves the follicles by blocking blood supply to the follicle cells, and this prevents the supply of essential nutrients to the follicles, which are very important for hair growth. As a result, hair starts getting thinner, more fragile, and lighter in color. Then eventually hair falls out as hair follicle shuts down and doesn't reproduce hair, and this leads to permanent hair loss. So overall, it's the most serious form of hair loss. And in general, men notice horseshoe-like hair pattern or receding hairline, whereas in the case of women with hormonal hair loss, hair becomes noticeably thinner over the entire scalp. But luckily, this kind of hair loss is treatable. So the most effective way to slow down and prevent hair loss is to decrease the production of DHT by blocking the enzyme 5-AR. So how you are going to do it? Well, you can do it by including these 3 nutrients in your diet. And the number 1 in the list is zinc. Zinc acts as an inhibitor of 5-AR enzyme. And this means it inhibits the conversion of testosterone to DHT. A 1988 study classified this mineral as a potent inhibitor of 5-alpha reductase activity. According to a research published in the Annals of Dermatology, zinc levels in the blood are lower in patients with various forms of hair loss. Though we do not have enough evidence or concrete proof that zinc helps in reducing hair loss, but there is evidence that zinc levels are lower in people with hair loss. And since zinc acts as inhibitor of 5-AR enzyme, it is used in the treatment of hair loss. Also, vegetarian food sources rich in zinc also contain phytosterol, which blocks DHT production and reduces areas on the scalp and hair follicles where DHT can attach itself. Now, you can get zinc from foods like pumpkin seeds, egg yolks, soy products, spinach, kale, white mushroom, poultry, and red meats. Next in the list is lycopene. Now, lycopene controls the level of DHT and the production of insulin-like growth factors in the epithelial cells of the prostate gland. This helps in improving hair growth and supports prostate health. Lycopene can be found in tomatoes, watermelon, mangoes, carrot, apricot, and grapefruit. And the last one in the list is lysine. Lysine is an essential amino acid which is not produced naturally in the body. But you can get lysine from nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pecans. Then high-protein diets containing meats, egg, fish, beans have better levels of lysine. Now, lysine is not a DHT blocker, but it helps in making DHT blockers effective. It has also proven lysine helps in the absorption of iron and zinc, which promotes hair growth. So include these foods to balance your hormones. And we cannot block DHT completely, as it is required for a lot of functions in the body. And to know your DHT level, get a blood test done only after consulting a dermatologist or a physician. So if DHT is responsible for hair loss, then external remedies like oiling, hair loss shampoos, conditioners are not going to help. But the only solution is to include these foods. And there are more herbs and natural foods that can inhibit DHT production. And I am going to cover these topics in my upcoming video. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon down below to get notified about my new videos. And if you like this video, then give a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you soon.